Ever wondered how restaurants make perfectly crispy, golden French fries? Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate method for making restaurant-quality fries at home. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering homemade French fries, breaking down the secrets to achieving crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, perfection, just like the best restaurants. Let's get started. First, let's talk potatoes. Russet potatoes are your best bet. High starch, low water content for the crispiest fries. Soak them in cold water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. This removes excess starch, ensures even cooking, and prevents burning. When it's time to cut, I recommend using a mandolin for even cuts. This ensures uniform cooking. Dry those fries thoroughly before frying. It prevents dangerous oil splatter and sogginess. Now for the double fry technique. The first fry, or blanching, happens at 300 degrees. This cooks the fries through without giving them color. Cool those fries before the second fry. Refrigerating helps achieve ultimate crispiness. The second fry is at 375 degrees, creating that golden brown, crispy texture we love. Use high smoke point oils, like vegetable, canola, peanut, or even duck fat for extra flavor. Fry in batches to prevent overcrowding and keep the oil at the right temperature. Look for bubbles. It means the fries are frying properly without absorbing excess oil. For seasoning, salt them immediately with fine sea salt. It sticks best while hot. Upgrade your dipping sauce by mixing ketchup, mayo, and sriracha. Or go gourmet with Parmesan, truffle oil, and fresh herbs. Now you know how to make crispy, golden, restaurant-quality fries at home. What's your favorite way to eat French fries? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more side dishes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and recipes.